lot of times we want to listen to the people that have results to show, that have evidence, that have hair down to their tailbone. But when it comes to people that are actually struggling, like, we just see them and we just pass, because those kind of people don't have evidence to show that something is working. I just know that there's people in this natural hair community that are going through the same things. I'm going to share what's not working and what I'm trying to do to help it work. And if it doesn't work, we're going to be learning together. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jadesola, and in today's video I will honestly just be talking to you guys about my hair and its state right now, and like things that I did that possibly made it get to where it is right now. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, honestly, I don't remember the last time I was like fully consistent on this channel, but there was a point in time where I was literally sharing videos like maybe every week or every 2 weeks, and I was just talking about like my natural hair journey, which is like basically the whole point of this channel. And yeah, I just think that ever since the year 2023, I think that was where I fell off. First of all, I went back to school. I guess this is going to be like some kind of life updates plus hair updates. But yeah, I went back to school in 2023. I went back to school for just a year, but I did do like a post-bachelor's diploma, so I feel like my course load was kind of heavy at that point in time. I was still good, maybe like in 2023, with taking care of my hair and everything, but then I feel like there's some life stressors that kind of happened, and I was like, I just kind of fell off towards the end of the year kind of thing. And then even into 2024, I was just like, I don't really care, whatever. And 2024 was a year. I think that was the year that I was working. Actually, I think from 2023 was when I was working 2 part-time jobs and going to school, like towards the end of the year. So that carried into 2024. So yeah, clearly, you know, I was going through some things. Obviously, when you're busy in life, like, you tend to neglect your hair or neglect self-care in general. So I think that's where it first of all started from. So yeah, I think after 2024, I started doing a lot more like Pinterestified hairstyles and everything, like them boho braids, bob braids, whatever. I started doing those a lot more, and each time I would want to try to part my hair well. And if you are like me and you are 4C thick coarse hair, yeah, you know that parting is not a joke. So each time I would like to like blow out my hair so I could get my parts right, and even then sometimes the parts would still not be right, but I didn't really care. I was just like, at least I tried my best and stuff, right? So I think, yeah, I was putting a lot of like heat on my hair. There was even this one time, I think this was 2025 as well, like that I straightened my hair. Like, I blew it out first and then I straightened my hair. I mean, I'm using heat protectant and all those things, right, when I'm doing all this stuff, but then it doesn't take away from the tension that I'm putting on my scalp or putting on my hair when I'm deciding to like flat iron it or straighten it and all that stuff, right? So yeah, those things happened, and yeah, I genuinely think I was paying a lot of attention to how my hair looked versus how my hair felt. And I think I've shared on this channel before that I've had issues in my crown area with breakage. I think it's called CCCA, like centrifugal something alopecia. So yeah, I've shared those, like I've shared a picture with you guys before, or like a video, and even just shared how I'm choosing to like target or focus on that breakage and grow it out and everything. But obviously, based on everything I've said, I fell off. I fell off my care routine and went into more styling and things like that. So I think I made it worse. So yeah, I'm going to share, like, I'm going to put like pictures of my most recent length check pictures that I took this year, last month I believe. And yeah, you're just going to see like what my hair looks like right now. So for context, this is a picture of my hair blown out this year, last month. and this is a picture of my hair blown out 2025. So I'm like, okay, it just feels like it just kept getting progressively worse. So yeah, I'm at the point where I'm like, okay, I need to really lock in and get back on my care routine in 2026. So basically, I'm going to share like my journey. Hopefully I can again be consistent with sharing with you guys this time, and also be consistent in my private life as well, with just like taking care of my hair, keeping to routines, and documenting that journey as well. It's not necessarily from like a standpoint of, oh, I know exactly what I'm doing, I know exactly what I'm fixing. I just know that there's people in this natural hair community that are going through the same things, but people don't. A lot of times we want to listen to the people that have results to show, that have evidence, that have hair down to their tailbone, right? But when it comes to people that are actually struggling, like, we just see them and we just pass, because basically those kind of people don't have evidence to show that something is working. I don't really care. I'm going to share what's not working and what I'm trying to do to help it work. And if it doesn't work, we're going to be learning together. That's why it's a community, right? Like, if I'm doing something wrong, or if I'm doing something that is not really helping, somebody in the comments can let me know. Of course, respectfully, but like, you can let me know and just be like, oh, okay, this thing you're doing, you know, it's not making sense. Maybe try this other thing. You know, we're here to share our real experiences, and we're here to help each other. You know, that's the vibe, at least that's the vibe I want on this channel and in my own little corner of the YouTube natural hair community, right? So yeah, I hope you guys stick with me, and genuinely I hope it works out. But you know, if it doesn't, it is what it is. But I'll say that I'm not looking to relax my hair or anything like that. So when I say if it doesn't work out, that's not what I'm talking about. I just mean like being okay with pivoting and trying other things that I may not have tried before. For one thing I really want to do this year is visit a natural hair salon in my region, in my area, and just have them actually like do a professional blowout, trim, whatever, you know, just do that. At least if I do that once this year, because I'm not trying to go crazy with like going to the hair salon and stuff, because I do know that those things can get expensive, but it's needed once in a while, like to visit a professional and have them assess your hair and just tell you like, okay, this is what I see, this is what you need to do, this is da. I'll say another thing that I'm like implementing right now is the science behind things, more than just like, oh, this person said this person said that. It's like, okay, why does this product work? Why does this ingredient work? Why does this method work? What is the science behind it? And if I can understand the science behind it, or if people make a good case for it, then I'll be like, okay, I'm trying that. But I'm just not going to just blindly hop on trends, especially if I already know, okay, I am a low porosity girl, I have dense hair, I have coarse hair. Like, what works for my type of hair, my profile of hair, versus what works for other people and whatever they're saying, right? But yeah, in conclusion, I know that it can be frustrating when you know that you've put in, at least for me it's frustrating, when I know that I've put in time and effort into my hair over the years, not just the time that I neglected it, right, but all the times before that, all the health routines, the regimen that I was building, and then just abandoning that and being set back. But honestly, life happens, it's okay, we move on, we approach it from a smarter angle and just do the best that we can. So yeah, I hope you guys stick around, and I hope me too I stick around, because at this point I'm just kidding, I will try my best to be consistent, but I hope you guys stick around with me for this journey. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs up, and you can leave a comment on what your thoughts are, maybe even what works for you, and just things that, you know, can help me. And you can also subscribe. It's free for now. I'm joking, I beg. I don't ever intend to make it exclusive, but it's free. Subscribe, And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.